Afternoon, everybody, or morning. Hope you're doing well wherever you are. If you're watching this and you're concerned about your mental health, or you're, struggling at the moment during COVID-19, it is difficult. On the one side, cases are up. You're indoors, you're struggling, you're bored, you're depressed even before COVID-19. And I would say to you, look, the first thing that I've learned in doing these video recordings, and generally speaking, someone that's been through trauma in their childhood, as in sexual abuse, violent abuse, many different other kind of things going on in anyone's life, is to keep this in shape, or to try and cope with life, because life is a battle. Not to be too religious, but even the Bible says that. We are living in, as they say, unprecedented times. All right. So here I am on the hills of Sussex. You can kind of see the surroundings. Hopefully, just give you a little spin over there at the back. Sun's shining. It's to walk, exercise at least once a day as permitted, and that clears the mind. Not 100%, I'd say, but if you reflect, which is part of my research, kind of a humble thought leader and learning and performance, when we reflect on times in our life and in performance, if we're working in a company, we have a moment or a chance to see what we can do to improve on, what we felt we did weak. I was a professional teacher for 4 or 5 years-ish, roughly, in business, and I was taught to always reflect after a classroom session, get feedback from my students, and then see how I can improve. Now, when we talk about the current coronavirus, how do we channel that across or model that? Well, I'm out on my walk and I'm reflecting now on different moments in my life. So when we're walking, we reflect. But how do we get out of, and not being a psychologist, but one of the things that's helped me is to put things, a good friend taught me, put things into perspective. So if someone's caused you pain, or you've had someone that's died, sadly, because of coronavirus, I think sometimes humans blame themselves. When my mum died of cancer, suddenly, about 2 years ago, not quite 2 years, it hit the whole family. She was at stage 4. There was obviously the cancer, there's no cure at the moment. And part of me, even now to this day, I felt like I could have done more. And there's a subconscious there that I kind of blame myself a bit. But I would just highly encourage, people to get outside, have a good walk, reflect, try to put things in perspective. It's not going to be easy, but give it a shot. Try and choose nice surroundings, and I really feel using that method might help you in your mental health. I'm going to keep it short today because I've got someone coming down the hill. I don't want to disturb them or your recording. I'll keep it going another time. But it's Sunday, relax, stay safe, get outside, reflect, be kind, empathy, equality, Black Lives Matter, because we all matter, Asian Lives Matter, equality, and just keep smiling. And I will see you very soon.